Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, merging of two or more rasters together to form one single raster for your analysis. So in this case, this is my study area. I want to make use of a particular satellite imagery that I downloaded. However, one strip could not cover my study region. So what I did was to download more than one. So as you can see here, I have this Sentinel satellite imagery. Okay, I have one strip here. I have the second one. As you can see, I have the third one. So the three strips covered my study region, and I cannot use them differently for analysis. I need to merge them to form one. All right. So what I'm going to do next, okay, to achieve that is to go to my search box here. Okay, and here on the search box, type of merge raster. Okay, merge raster. I'm going to click on search. So when I search, I see that different particular options. So very go to this Mosaic to new raster. Alright, so it's going to give you an option to do one or two. So before then, I want to show you the idea about merging of raster together. So I'm going to click on one of the satellite imagery, the composite band here. I'm going to go to the properties. Okay, so I'm going to click on source. So these are the information you are going to be needing to merge these rasters together. So you must know the number of bands, okay, the raster, the satellite imagery, okay. You must know the cell size. This is the resolution. Alright, the pixel size. So you are going to know the pixel type, okay, unsigned integer. Alright, then you must know the pixel depth, 16 bits. So these are the information you need, as well as the coordinate system. So as you can see, WGS 84, BTM 32. So these are the information you need to merge your raster. So this information must tally with other raster. So you must click on it to confirm if they tally. If they do not tally, they cannot merge. Or they could merge, but they will not be given a better or good representation of the information on the merged raster imagery. Okay, so you can see the same number of times. The first imagery 12, pixel size 60 by 60. And the pixel type unsigned integer and the pixel cell 16 bits with the same coordinate system. So that is how it is for the third one as well. So I'm just going to click that I am for. So here you will go to the input raster. You have to choose them accordingly to where they are arranged on your layer. Okay, so the first one comes in, alright, the second and the third. Okay, so this is kind of be then for your output raster. Alright, you are going to navigate to the folder of one of the satellite imagery. So this is the one of them. Okay, L1C. So you're going to click on it and add. Okay, so this is going to be here. Okay, so on your raster data name with extension, this is the output data name, the result we're expecting. So you're going to give it a name. Okay, so in this course of the video, I'm just going to name it Mosaic. Okay. Then the extension dot, okay, there are different extensions. If you check what is here, you can see different extension formats. If you want to use ArcGIS to Mosaic imagery together and export to other formats, you must put it on the extension that the software can read. Do you understand? So if you are using NV software, you are going to use .dat. If you are using EDAS, okay, imaging, you are going to use .ig. But in the course of this video, I am using still ArcGIS software. So I'm just going to use .tif. Okay, so .tif. Okay, so a spatial reference here. Just like what I showed you initially. This projected I'm going to put it here. Well, go to WGS 4, then it's here, then scroll down to it here, so 32. Okay, so 32. Alright, now I'm going to click on OK. So when I'm done, as you can see here, the preset type, that is what I showed us here. Okay, you must note the preset type, the preset size, and the rest of them. So number of bands is 12, cell size 60 by 60, preset type is signed integer, depth 60. Okay, so that is just what I have to put in the setup. Okay, cell size, the pixel size first. Okay, it's 16 bits unsigned. Can we get it? Okay, that is it. Then the cell size is 60. You just need to put 60 there. Then the number of bands is 12. Okay, for all of them, and that is all for the setup. I hope we all got that right. So if you don't get it, you can just rewind back and understand the concept. Okay, if you have actually watched this video to this extent, please hit on the notification bell as well as the subscribe icon right now so that you can support and encourage us. Alright, so these are how you are going to do the setup, and you just click on OK. So when you click on OK, it starts merging and recycling the raster imagery for you. So it's gonna take a while. Just give it the time. So as we can see, it's actually done. Right. Okay, so this is a new, okay, design GIS file. Okay, satellite imagery. Then we are just going to uncheck this, uncheck this, uncheck this. Okay, then we are gonna make the opposite band to be the natural color for 3. So you can see it is actually together. If I uncheck, everything will disappear. If I check it back, it disappear. So this is how to merge raster data together. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe icon and share the video. Thank you. See you next time.